Most people are eating healthy, but still not getting results. And that's because not all healthy foods actually work. Some foods are backed by real science to improve your metabolism, protect your heart, boost your brain, and even help your body burn fat more efficiently. In today's video, we're revealing 10 powerful foods that truly make a difference. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is one of the most effective daily foods you can eat. Simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful, lentils are one of the most underrated superfoods you can add to your diet. They're packed with plant-based protein and rich in fiber, making them highly effective at keeping you full for longer periods. This combination not only helps reduce unnecessary snacking, but also supports steady energy levels throughout the day, avoiding the crashes that come from processed foods. What truly makes lentils stand out is their impact on blood sugar control. Thanks to their low glycemic index and high fiber content, lentils are digested slowly, which helps prevent spikes in blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that regularly consuming lentils can improve insulin sensitivity and support better metabolic health, making them especially beneficial for weight management and long-term energy balance. Lentils are also loaded with essential nutrients like iron, folate, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which play a key role in supporting heart health, improving oxygen flow in the body, and reducing inflammation. Whether added to soups, salads, or main dishes, lentils are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare, making them one of the simplest yet most effective foods for building a healthier lifestyle. One of the most common fruits in the world, yet one of the most powerful when it comes to real health benefits. Apples are rich in fiber, especially a type called pectin, which plays a key role in supporting digestion and promoting a healthy gut. This fiber slows down digestion, helping you feel full for longer and reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily throughout the day. What makes apples even more effective is their impact on blood sugar control. Despite their natural sweetness, apples have a relatively low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in energy levels. Research has shown that regularly eating apples may be linked to improved insulin sensitivity and a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Apples are also packed with powerful antioxidants, particularly in their skin, which help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. These compounds support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood vessel function. Easy to carry, affordable, and incredibly versatile, apples are one of the simplest ways to add a consistent, science-backed boost to your daily nutrition. Crisp, colorful, and packed with nutrients, bell peppers are one of the most powerful vegetables you can include in your daily diet. They're especially rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient that supports your immune system, helps your body absorb iron more efficiently, and plays a major role in maintaining healthy skin. In fact, bell peppers contain even more vitamin C than many citrus fruits, making them a simple yet highly effective addition to your meals. But their benefits go far beyond immunity. Bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants like carotenoids, which help protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This not only supports long-term health, but also helps reduce inflammation in the body, a major factor behind many chronic conditions. These compounds also contribute to better eye health and may help protect against vision decline over time. Another advantage of bell peppers is how easy they are to include in your daily routine. They're low in calories, high in water content, and naturally satisfying, making them perfect for weight management. Whether eaten raw, grilled, or added to your favorite dishes, bell peppers provide a powerful combination of flavor, nutrition, and real science-backed benefits that make them truly worth adding to your diet. Oats are one of the most powerful and reliable foods when it comes to improving overall health. They're rich in a unique type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been scientifically proven to help lower bad cholesterol levels and support heart health. This makes oats an excellent choice for protecting your cardiovascular system, while also providing steady, long-lasting energy. One of the biggest advantages of oats is their ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. Because they digest slowly, oats prevent rapid spikes and crashes in glucose, helping you stay energized and focused throughout the day. This also makes them highly effective for weight management, as they reduce hunger and keep you feeling full for longer periods, limiting unnecessary snacking. Oats are also packed with important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and antioxidants that support overall body function and reduce inflammation. Starting your day with a bowl of oats can set a strong foundation for better eating habits, improved energy levels, and long-term health, making them one of the simplest and most effective foods you can include in your daily routine. Real dark chocolate can actually be good for you, and it's one of the few treats that comes with real science-backed benefits. High-quality dark chocolate, especially with 85% cocoa or higher, is loaded with powerful antioxidants known as flavonoids. These compounds help improve blood flow, support heart health, and protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. What makes dark chocolate especially interesting is its impact on brain function and mood. Studies have shown that the flavonoids in cocoa can increase blood flow to the brain, which may improve focus, cognitive performance, and even memory over time. It can also help stimulate the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of happiness and relaxation. However, the key is moderation and quality. Choosing dark chocolate with high cocoa content and minimal added sugar is essential to get the benefits without the downsides. Just a small piece per day can deliver noticeable health benefits while still satisfying your cravings, making it one of the most enjoyable ways to support your overall health. Before we move to the next powerful food, take a quick second to like this video and subscribe, because we bring you simple, science-backed tips that can truly transform your health. Bold, flavorful, and packed with powerful benefits, kimchi is one of the most effective foods you can eat for improving your gut health. It's a traditional fermented food that contains a wide range of beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics, which help balance your gut microbiome. And this is important because your gut doesn't just control digestion, it plays a major role in your immune system, metabolism, and even your overall energy levels. What makes kimchi especially powerful is its ability to reduce inflammation and support metabolic health. Research has shown that regular consumption of fermented foods like kimchi can improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and even support weight management by influencing how your body processes food. A healthy gut environment allows your body to function more efficiently, which can lead to better overall health outcomes over time. Kimchi is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, thanks to ingredients like cabbage, garlic, and chili peppers. These compounds work together to strengthen your immune system and protect your cells from damage. Even a small serving added to your daily meals can make a noticeable difference, making kimchi a simple yet powerful addition to a science-backed healthy diet. Simple, high in protein, and incredibly effective, cottage cheese is one of the best foods you can include for both muscle support and weight management. It's rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides your body with a steady release of amino acids. This helps keep you full for longer periods, reduces hunger, and supports muscle repair and growth throughout the day or even overnight. What makes cottage cheese especially valuable is its ability to support fat loss without sacrificing nutrition. Because it's low in calories but high in protein, it helps maintain lean muscle while promoting a calorie deficit, which is essential for healthy weight loss. Studies have shown that high-protein foods like cottage cheese can increase satiety, reduce cravings, and improve overall body composition over time. In addition to protein, cottage cheese is also rich in calcium, vitamin B12, and other essential nutrients that support bone health, energy production, and overall body function. It's incredibly versatile and easy to include in your daily routine, whether eaten on its own, paired with fruits, or added to meals. Simple, effective, and backed by science, cottage cheese is a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Light, refreshing, and surprisingly powerful, zucchini is one of the most underrated vegetables when it comes to improving overall health. It's extremely low in calories but high in water content, which makes it perfect for adding volume to your meals without increasing your calorie intake. This means you can eat more, feel full, and still support your weight loss goals at the same time. Zucchini is also rich in fiber, which plays a key role in supporting healthy digestion and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. By slowing down digestion, it helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in energy, keeping you feeling more balanced throughout the day. This makes it especially useful for those looking to improve their metabolism and reduce unnecessary cravings. In addition, zucchini contains important antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. These compounds support your immune system, promote healthy skin, and contribute to long-term wellness. Easy to cook, versatile, and gentle on the digestive system, zucchini is a simple yet highly effective food that deserves a regular place in your diet. Simple, convenient, and incredibly effective. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of quick and sustained energy. They contain a balanced mix of natural sugars and fiber, which allows your body to absorb energy steadily without causing sharp spikes or crashes in blood sugar levels. This makes them an ideal choice for starting your day or fueling your body before a workout. One of the key nutrients in bananas is potassium, an essential mineral that plays a major role in regulating blood pressure, supporting muscle function, and maintaining proper nerve signaling. Getting enough potassium is crucial for overall health, and bananas provide an easy and natural way to meet your daily needs. This is especially beneficial for heart health and reducing the risk of high blood pressure. Bananas also support digestive health, thanks to their fiber content and natural compounds that help promote a healthy gut environment. They're gentle on the stomach, easy to digest, and can help reduce bloating while supporting regular digestion. Affordable, widely available, and incredibly versatile, bananas are one of the simplest and most effective foods you can include in your daily routine. And finally, one of the most powerful foods you can add to your daily routine. Blueberries may be small, but they are loaded with some of the highest levels of antioxidants found in any fruit, especially compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support overall health at the deepest level, which is exactly what your body needs for long-term results. What makes blueberries truly stand out is their impact on brain and heart health. Research has shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory, enhance focus, and even help slow down age-related cognitive decline. At the same time, they support healthy blood pressure, improve circulation, and contribute to better heart function, making them one of the few foods that benefit both your mind and your body at once. And here's the best part: you don't need a complicated plan to see results. Just a small handful of blueberries each day can start making a real difference over time. Whether added to your breakfast, blended into smoothies, or eaten on their own, blueberries are one of the simplest, most effective, and science-backed habits you can build for a healthier, stronger future. Now here's the truth. Your health isn't built in a single day, and it doesn't come from one perfect food. It's built from the small choices you make every single day. The foods you choose either move you closer to better energy, a stronger body, and a healthier future, or they slowly hold you back. Start simple. Pick just 2 or 3 of these foods and begin adding them into your daily routine. Stay consistent, and over time, the results will speak for themselves. More energy, better focus, and a body that feels stronger and healthier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because every video we create is designed to help you take control of your health one step at a time.